ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rajhapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Kajingat have wood hakalang kibenta jong kanong ba shilong kala yai be yaranti but hadu ka por shiteng sngi gira yo I bagi pat ba klami shitraham man theb ka wood ka jongki hakani ke election MP Lok Sabha katkum kajing ajing ken jong ka election commission kala pentib ba hadu ka por khnai bji minstam kinong theb wood kila poi kumba khatsan percentam but hakapor shi bji na phai sngi pala yo jingtem ba kinong theb wood kila poi hadu sa 4% Kajingat have wood hagani ka election MP menta kalong ka ba khamsong shit haba yanu jor but ki election MP paladam lakmi lenti ba kinla mandon khambun kinong have wood ki bane shimenta hagani ka election yo da yen so phi manong ba
ye yang tabara he agani ka election ka menta te ni kermen ba ka ek ban kajing kala
ha kajing pet ka jonga hi ka don kajing pher namat ba menta ki la mi ba
Mentang si ka khandai tari uyayong arza apusap in sakhi ya ka jingmi jongkiri upat ba banjit ya u ni ka nong mikmat ban mikmat kumu MP na ka benta ka jongki chaka yeng dor bar thau an ka Lok Sabha menta ka kanti ka ni ka election MP ngila ban sakhi ba kalong ka ba compare dia lesi namangi I ya ka jingshirham amtang jongki ni ki political parties banyalap election nrei ni iru ya ka jingshirham jongki pat ba ka jala Meghalaya
menta te menchuma kalong jar kalong silent nri menta pan ngi igu kalong kecing khluit song shit ni ka bang la shirkai menta te kami hap shu wat MLA MDC la palat menta tangka BPP bat ka kongresi kejing elek ka menta
tep se hading pet jong hate ding I kun ding I bakini lain wat ken mo NPP upra bat kongresi kan
Digi hagani kasingin sakhiru ya kajingmi jongki pat ba hatu kani kajing shirham ka jongki kalong tang hakapor kajing alap election ni hatu kin mi shakhamat ban long ki shirham ban thap ya ka vote ka jongki ban jit ya u ni ka nong mi khamat ban pun udlong na ka ban ta kajing thrang ka jongki
I came here today at 6:30 and I appeal to everyone that election and voting is a democratic and constitutional right of every citizen of this nation and that we must all exercise this particular right.
Since everyone is voting, I myself has started to vote, not for myself but for the people of Kalahis. If God willing, maybe not, you can't say because, but I believe in him actually. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out and trying to reveal what really they want to do.
Good infrastructure, they want governments to provide job opportunities, and I feel that this government has, fulfilled and delivered on these promises. Women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.
Ni kong kapati nado kasngi kaban kong ni persang panet pensai pensutru upat ba onong bastat upat ba ulang basyampang upat ba uban tip ya la kajong ka mai la kajong ka hok ya la ka bor kum onong ta vote tenrei ki don de kini ki ba ya lam bakla pat kani kam dei ka sen kaban kong kani kadi kadak ba ki don ki besukwa tang bat supan pe upat ba bat suthok bat sukor upat ba ingin don kan hundu kajeng atatin parti hi ki patba hi ki asutro ki rasai bat kunta di kajeng start kajeng patba
hadin bangalali tep vote menta kasngi ngayo kata kajeng suk ngayo kata kajeng kemen hakadot not jonga nomor ba ngala tresitom tip ki patba ki tip ne em ya kata tip ki shania ne em yang ngangam tip mga ngatip ba ngila tresi tombor ba hakani ka por na sngo ba ngala pendep yala ka jong ka kamram mentah sa upat ba to rai mo phi ka rai jong phi bor ngan habban shim nga habban ngon nga habban sngo mat ngin sia pet ka long kumno ha ka sau tarik jong nai chu
Jong ate long ba kibril kila kami mo menta te bali ka bamunso ate kila kami menta ta competition de setting menta ke NPP ba VPP
ke MP te kham khendiat ban ong halor kata te long kat kum ka jing pet ke jongi ka long bet ba ka jing khon ka long bet hagini borok lai apeng upra akot bat ka ti
amar bakari bakajai menriu jongi kalong kari ke ba dang ret tinggi don kam ken ki ba long ka jing pen thamai ken ya ka jing mut ka jing perkhat ka jongi ke imlang salang kham tam ki khun samla mentah bangi pek ke don padeng ki jing ele ki jing ki jing snew ki kam ki jamru ki du la du lenti ka don ka jing pen khi men sim ken ha ka imlang salang ha ki khun ki ti ki jongi mo te ya ka ba min suadu ki MP bela adapte ngi ka don ka jinga pher ki bat ka ni ka sien ka ba menta